In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to get Enemy Pet on your Android phone. First of all, we have to install this Pixel Shimeji app. So go to your Play Store and search for Pixel Shimeji and install this app in your phone. Once the app installed, just open the app, and once you are in the Shimeji app home screen, just tap on next, tap on next, tap on next, 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 and tap on play now. And now from this little page section, go ahead and search for the character that you want to add in your home screen. So here's I'm selecting Pikachu, and it may take some time to download the character. Once the character downloaded, now just click on adopt and tap on OK, and now you will directly jump into your phone settings. Here you have to enable Pixel Shimeji, and then go back to the app. And as you can see, I've successfully added Enemy Pet in my Android phone, and it's working perfectly smoothly. And to add multiple enemy pairs, you have to do the same steps. Just go to your Pixel Shimeji app and go to the home page and select another. Once downloaded, click on adopt, and here as you can see, another Enemy Pet added in my Android phone. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.